Hi guys, today is the 23rd of January. China was hit by very strong earthquake of magnitude 7.1. It has happened on the western part of China, which is a border of Afghanistan. So Afghanistan is on the western part of China, and it has happened there in the west part of China, 7.1 magnitude earthquake, where three people has been killed so far. And there is lots of material damage as reported. If you guys know geography a bit, on the west part of China, the closest country is Afghanistan. That's where the earthquake has occurred on the western part of China of magnitude 7.1. You guys must have read it. 120 buildings has damaged, 40 houses has collapsed. So they are lucky only three people has been killed. This is very good. Now guys, I'm going to show you, I knew this, that there will be an earthquake in that region of 7.1 magnitude. Okay, you can see it over there. I dreamed that on the 25th of December, and I thought it will be in Afghanistan, but I also wrote it there. I know it will happen to any country in that region. It has happened in the western part of China, which is on the borderline of Afghanistan. It has happened 7.1, and the only thing I get wrong, I thought 2,000 people will be killed and injured, but only three people has been killed so far. But I don't know. They have not mentioned it. How many people has been injured? Okay. So guys, please, I saw it in my dream too that it will happen on New Year's Eve. It has not happened on New Year's Eve. It happened a few weeks after, so I knew it approximately the time frame that this will happen. Okay, in my dream it says New Year Eve, but it has not happened on New Year's Eve. But it has happened 3 weeks afterwards. So guys, I knew basically pretty much everything that is going to happen on this planet. Here's my cursor. I am doing that directly from my laptop. Thank you for watching, guys. Of course, apart from me, who knows things like that. Thanks you for watching. Please share it, okay?